Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto, the bottom and the top of the bearish cycle and the next bull run for Loopring LRC. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Before we go into this area, I want to test a little bit the short term of LRC, which doesn't look so bright. You can see that we are having right here a bullish RSI divergence, but we cannot manage until now to have a clear pump, and we cannot even go above the 20-day MA over the next days from 17 August. You can see that we had a little bit of a pump right here, but from there we just found huge correction going all the way down right here, and we are down to the 0.2492. Look at this 0.2492 right now. Loopring, when Loopring was back on the days where it pumped over 3 USDT, and now it is at the 0.2492. Anyway, what is next for LRC? What are we going to do? Where's the bottom? And of course, where will be the next target of the bull run? Now for LRC, I think that the lower high, lower low pattern will continue, and we are going to go down to the 0.20. There's a slight chance that we can have a nice buying pressure. Okay, a nice buying pressure at around 0.28, but I do not think this will bring something much. Okay, even if we have a buying pressure, we will continue to have the lower low, lower high patterns with some corrective modes like these ones in the bearish cycle when we have an uptrend and then we go down. Okay, same story can be repeated, but we are going to go down as well. We are going down all the way to 0.20 and further lower into the next weeks. And now we are going to see where is the bottom for LRC. Where can we see the next huge buying opportunity for LRC? Right now you can see that Loopring is sitting at 0.25. I think that Loopring over the next few weeks is going to literally go towards the 0.17. Now I want you to be careful, because once we approach the 0.17 and below the targets right here, this is a huge investing option. Okay, so for Loopring, the 0.1691 and further down, this is a huge investing opportunity. That means if we go down here and below the 0.17, then you should be buying. Okay, according to my personal advisor right there, you should be buying. And of course, this should be the bottom of the bearish cycle for LRC, and the next bull run could start around under the 0.17. Now the case right here is that the LRC has corrected so much, right? From the top right here, look at that, around there, this is the top, to this bottom minus 93, and if we go down here minus 96. Of course, this can happen in the crypto market, right? You could have invested right here 1000 USDT, you would have been left with, like, let's say 50 USDT. Okay, so it should be the case that you can lose everything, but you can gain everything as well. And from here, we are going to start the next huge bull run from LRC. Now, let's say that we are stopping at the 0.17. Okay, let's say that LRC is stopping at the 0.17. We are going to draw the new Fibonacci retracement, this time from the top to the bottom instead from the bottom to the top. And you can see that we are going to stop at around this area. Okay, this is the 0.17, and LRC can manage to go all the way up in the next bull run to 8 USDT. If I take the price range from this bottom and draw it up to this top, you can see that we are pumping 4,700% up, which is a 47x. Okay, which means that if you had spent 1,000 USDT, you would get 47,000 USDT. If you had spent 10,000, you would get 470,000 USDT. Right now, the 8 USDT is very possible to achieve, but we should be waiting more and more. Now, is the 8 USDT only the possible targets, or can we go even higher? Yeah, of course we can. We could be going to the 12.6, maybe even to the 18.45. These are, though, some very hard targets to achieve. Okay, maybe we won't be going there with Loopring. The 8 USDT seems more likely to me that it will happen. And if we take the hypothetical scenario that we are going all the way up to, let's say, 18.45. Then we are going all the way up 10,000%, 10,000%, which is 101x. Okay, that means if you had spent 10,000 USDT, you would be just a millionaire. This is what it means. Okay, with 100x, you could be a millionaire, but this is very, very hard to achieve. I repeat that. The most realistic scenario for me personally, it is to go to the 8 USDT. Now, the worst possible scenario, it is that it never goes to the previous all-time high, right? So for me personally, Loopring can go all the way up to the 1.97. Let's say that this altcoin never manages to go all the way up higher, which is hard, but okay, there is a possible chance. I think that the minimum it can pump, it is 1000%, which is a very nice 11x. Even if it does the minimum, you will get some huge nice profits. Thank you so much for watching. If you want the Millionaire series to keep going on, please write a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.